The Animal Shelter Dashboard is a Python-based web application that integrates MongoDB, Dash, Plotly, and Dash Leaflet to filter, visualize, and map animal shelter data. This project was developed in CS 340 and enhanced, and it showcases my skills in database integration, data visualization, interactive user interface, and geomapping. For enhancements, I included on data visualization, I included a pie chart that breaks down all the breeds in the animal shelter, and I added a map where a map that lets you see where the animal is currently located. I also expanded the data set by including more than just dogs in this animal shelter. We can also filter the dog breed type by water rescue, mountain and wilderness, and disaster and individual tracking. And we click reset, we see all of the animals in the animal shelter, and we could click on the next page to see the rest of the animals in the animal shelter. Now we will be looking at the code. From crude import, animal shelter imports the animal shelter class, which contains MongoDB crude operations. We have our database connection details. We connect to the Mongo database that I created. We read all the animal data from the MongoDB. We removed the ID column, which is stored as an object ID, and may cause issues with the Dash data table. We initialize the Dash application inside the Jupyter Notebook. We loads and encodes the organization's logo for display on the dashboard. This part of the code displays the dashboard title and organization logo. We have the data table for displaying the list of animals. Row layout for chart and geolocation map. This is the layout. This is the bottom layout for the pie chart we included and the geolocation map. We have a callback that updates the data table based on the rescue type that we select. Then we have our callback to generate and update the pie chart. We have a callback that updates the data table based on the selected rescue type. It filters animal records based on the selected rescue type, uses MongoDB queries to dynamically retrieve and update the Dash data table. Then we have our pie chart callback. Groups animal breeds and displays a pie chart, uses Plotly Express for visualization. Then we have a callback to highlight a cell on the data table when a user selects it. And finally, we have our map callback. This retrieves the latitude and longitude from the MongoDB records and uses Dash Leaflet to display real-time locations of rescued animals. Strengths of the code: efficient database queries. We use MongoDB aggregation for fast data retrieval. Interactive data visualization implements pie chart plotting and geo mapping using Leaflet. Dynamic filtering. Users can filter records based on rescue type. Modular and scalable design. Uses separate callbacks for data table, charts, and maps. My closing statement for the Animal Shelter Dashboard code review. The Animal Shelter Dashboard is a well-structured, database-driven web application that effectively integrates MongoDB for data storage, Dash for user interface interactivity, and Plotly for data visualization. This project meets the requirements for the database enhancements by implementing optimized data retrieval, real-time filtering, and dynamic visualization, ensuring efficiency and usability. The planned enhancements, particularly the dynamic graph for visualizing animal distributions, were successfully implemented using MongoDB aggregation pipelines and dashboard dashes visualization tools. The use of database queries to group and count animal records align with the best practices in data management and retrieval, optimizing the application's scalability and performance. This artifact also reflects the key computer science skills, including database optimization, data visualization, secure data handling. This project aligns with course outcomes by demonstrating well-founded computing techniques that enhance data accessibility and usability. The modular and scalable design ensures that future enhancements and integrations can be implemented seamlessly, making the animal shelter dashboard a valuable tool for animal welfare organizations.